Okay, let's see if you can handle this question. Um, in a supermarket, the cost of buying a bag of potatoes is $12 and 83 cents. Let's say the rate of inflation is 4.8% and it's constant for 4 years. Okay, constant means it's the same. The rate of inflation is the same for 4 years. So how much will this same bag of potatoes cost in 4 years' time? Okay, so currently the price of the potatoes cost $12 and 83 cents. The inflation will be the same for 4 years. How much will this same bag of potato cost in 4 years' time? And inflation means the rise in price of everything. So, for example, let's say a loaf of bread is $4 today. If you have an inflation of let's say 13%, which is true in some countries. Let's say that the rate of inflation is 13%. What that means is currently the price of the bread here is $4. So if you have an inflation of 13%, what that means is this. This is your original here, okay? And at the end of just 1 year, because inflation normally is just for 1 year. So at the end of 1 year, it would be hang on. It would be at hang on. Sorry. It would be at 1.13. So if you jump to a calculator and punch in our original is $4. So times 1.13. So at the end of the year, it will cost $4 52 cents. So let's say you've got $200 in your bank account, and at the end of the year, your $200 will still be the same, assuming that you don't get any interest. But the point is, the price of the bread will rise to $4 and 52 pence cents. Let's say a box of cereal, it costs $9. Well, if you have an inflation of 13%, what that means is at the end of the year, you're going to have an increase in price here. So this box of cereal here will cost this. Hang on, clear it. $9 times 1.13. So it costs $10 $10.17, I think. Let me check. Yeah, 10. So inflation of 13%. It was $9, and then at the end of the year, you're going to have to pay this much for the same box of cereal. And let's say a TV costs $200. Well, if you have an inflation of 13%, at the end of the year, the cost of this same TV will be this much. So jump to a calculator, clear it. 200 times what is it? Times 1.13. So this same TV cost $226. Sorry. So if you think about it, if you have $200 in your bank account, at the end of the year, because of inflation, everything will cost more. So this bread here will cost $4.52. A box of cereal cost this much. It was $9, and a TV. Well, inflation is the rise in price of everything. Okay, so let's go back to our original question here. A bag of potatoes costs this much. If inflation is at 4.8, how much will this bag of potato cost in 4 years' time? 4 years. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so hang on, let me tidy this up. Okay, so let's draw a diagram in 4 years. Okay, 4 years. So let's draw a diagram to see what's going on. So original 0 1 0 here. Our original is 12.83. Okay. At the end of year one, so after year one, year one, it will cost wait a 1 point. Inflation is 4.8, so it will cost more. So 0.48. Have a quick glance at this. This means it's 4%, so 4.8 will be 1.048. Okay, so our new price will be 12.83 times 1.048. Okay, and then year two, well, this will be a new 100%. Remember, so it will be hang on, 12. Hang on. So this will be our new 100%. So it will be 12.83 times 1.048. Okay, and hang on, let me clear this up. And after year two, well, it's going to cost a bit more. So 1.048. So this thing here will be 12.83 times 1.048 to the power of 2, or squared. Okay, and then jump to the dot thing. Take it to year 4. Okay, so at year 4, this will be 12.83 times hang on, after year 4. Okay, remember this bit here will be 1 less than year 4, so it should be to the power of 3. So 1.048 to the power of 3. Okay, and then after year 4, it would jump to this 0.48. So our final answer would be this 12.83 times 1.048 to the power of 4. Okay, so this would be our final answer here. So if you want to know how much this bag of potatoes cost after 4 years, assuming that the rate of inflation is constant at 4.8%, then this, punch it into your calculator. Okay, oh dear. So clear this. 1.048 to the power of 4 equals this, and then times the original price, 12.83 equals. So equals 15.48. 15.48. Okay, so after 4 years, the price of this same bag of potatoes here will cost this much. Okay.